All right, lesson 10.5, equations of circles. This is the last of unit 10. So equations of circles, here we have x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So radius squared. And that is derived from this image up here. And HK, now the circle is not always on the origin. So HK is the center of the circle. So your standard equation of a circle is this equation down here. So r squared is equal to x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. H and k is the center of that circle. So we will look at a couple of these examples. So if the equation of my circle is x minus 1, then the center is going to be a positive 1. Because remember, the minus came from the standard equation. So minus 2 becomes positive 2, and then this is r squared. So we will actually take the square root of this number. So the square root of 16 is 4. All right, so given this equation of circle, find the center and radius. There is no plus or minus, so that's just going to be 0. And the square root of 4 is 2. All right, so then writing the equation when you're given the center and the radius. So 13 negative 2 becomes x minus 13, y minus a negative, which becomes plus. And then the radius is 3. 3 squared would be 9. All right, so a couple of other examples if you want to look at those. But I'm going to jump straight to number 3. So positive 2 becomes minus 2. And minus becomes positive 8. And 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4. All right, positive 11 becomes minus 11. Remember, the minus comes from the equation, the standard equation. And then positive 5 will become minus 5. And 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. So graphing a circle centered at the origin, since the r squared number is 9, then we know that the radius is 3. So you'd go out 3, plot a point, down 3, plot a point, up 3, plot a point, left 3, plot a point, and connect those points. And there's your circle. When the center of the circle is not at the origin, same process except for from that point you'll go out from there. All right, so let's look at this. So from this graph, our center is here. And so our coordinates are -4, -1. So when it's a minus, it'll become a plus. So 4 and 1. And then from the center, we go out, count how many spaces to the edge of the circle. 1, 2. Our radius is 2. 2 squared is 4. And same thing here. Let's find the center of the circle, which is this point here, which would be at -4, +4. So negative will become a plus, and +4 will become a minus. And then count from the center to the edge of the circle. 1, 2, 3. 3 is our radius. 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. And then are all circles similar? Making them larger or bigger does not change the shape. And then you can watch this video if you need proof. And that's it.